How to scan QR code in another phone on Instagram. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram, log into your account, then click on your profile on bottom right corner of your screen. After you click on your profile on bottom right corner of your screen, in your profile, you'll find Share Profile option beside Edit Profile. Click on Share Profile and you'll find this kind of QR code pop up. After this pops up, you can simply scan it from another phone to access your account, which means simply finding your account. This is how to scan Instagram QR code in another phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.